Alright, second flight, modified battery hatch. Cruddy paint job to kind of detail it. It looks a little better. My paint job wasn't the best. Oh well. So let's take her back up for the second time. I've got a magnet under this Gorilla tape and then a magnet right there to hold the hatch down instead of the screws that the direction says to use, and just screw it down to the frame. Nah. So let's put the battery in. Get her fired up. Alright. Come on, get out of there. I think she'll stay on there. Okay. Pre-flight check. All right. Arm it. Armed. Well, cheapo. Well, she is a nice flyer. Bring her in slow. All right, we're gonna go full throttle and punch it. There's full throttle. Not a speed demon. Fast enough for me. The little history note here, the P-38 had a deadly flaw in a dive. She would lock up on you, it'd go too fast, and she'd lock up and you couldn't pull out of that dive, so they had to put some air brakes on her, slow her down. Also, Charles Lindbergh spent some time in the P-38 during World War II over in the Pacific. Taught our boys how to get better fuel consumption out of the P-38. And he even went on a combat mission that he was not supposed to be going on because he was a civilian. And I believe he got a confirmed kill. Might want to check on those facts. Nice flyer though. Comes in nice and slow too. There's my minute warning. So I'll bring her in. Kill throttle. Bring her in over the corn. Perfect. All right. Good deal.